been a tough life, the scars run deep. Mom and died when I was a kid, couldn't even weep. Left alone in this world, shadows closing in. Abused by a friend, where do I begin? Life hit hard like a freight train's roar. Cancer found me too, knocking at my door. Changed my life too soon, felt like my end. Thought I should have been dead, ain't that the trend? Why did this have to be my story? Why did this have to be my life? Pain and struggle filled with worry, searching for a way to survive. Should've had therapy, I needed so much help. Lost in the darkness, couldn't save myself. Telling my story, it cuts like a knife. Depression came like a storm, shaking my life. The storms never let up, never let me out. Trapped in despair, filled with all my doubt. Why did this heart fight such a brutal fight? Will the dawn ever break? Will I see the light? Why did this have to be my story? Why did this have to be my life? Pain and struggle filled with worry, searching for a way to survive. Why did this have to be my story? Why did this have to be my life? Pain and struggle filled with worry, searching for a way to survive. And somebody told me about Jesus, a beacon in the dark, a glimmer of grace. Somehow I found a way to rebuild my core. His love filled the empty, opened up the door. God gave me a family, hope grew like a tree. I even found peace in the storm's debris. It was only through Jesus, he mended my soul. He gave me strength, turned my scars into gold. Why did this have to be my story? Why did this have to be my life? Pain and struggle filled with worry, searching for a way to survive. Why did this have to be my story? Why did this have to be my life? Pain and struggle filled with worry, searching for a way to survive. Thank you, Jesus, you really did it. Changed my course, now I feel exquisite. Thank you, Jesus, no longer a misfit. Lost in the chaos, now I'm blessed, I admit. Thank you, Jesus, no more pain. Through the fire, I've danced in the rain. Thank you, Jesus, forever I'm changed. Rising from ashes, my life rearranged. So here's to the journey, the battles I fought, with faith as my compass, I won't be forgot. With Jesus beside me, I claim my new name. From shadows to light, I'll never be the same.